Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and next to me is a Steelcase V1 Think Chair. The Think Chair is a premium ergonomic office chair made by Steelcase that sits in the middle of their lineup, above the entry level and below the higher end leap and gesture lines. The main difference of the chair that's sitting next to me is that this one has been remanufactured by us at Crandall Office Furniture and costs half the price of new. So let's take a closer look. So as you may or may not know, high-end ergonomic office chairs like the Think chair I've got next to me can cost $1,000 or more new. And so what we do here at Crandall Office Furniture is we take these used chairs, we tear them down, rebuild them from the ground up, offering the same warranty, performance, and quality you would expect out of a new chair at a fraction of the cost. All right, so let's talk a little bit about remanufacturing and what we do to the Think chair. And we've got a few other videos that outline our processes a little bit more in depth, but let's go over them a little bit more high level right now. So our Think chair is gonna have all components that you interact with on a daily basis replaced. So you're gonna have new casters, new gas cylinder, new arm pads. We're gonna rebuild the arm mechanisms to make sure everything's working properly. We're gonna be tuning up the mechanism, and we're also gonna be replacing the upholstery on both the back and the seat, and then the seat is also gonna get a brand new foam seat pad. So everything you interact with on a daily basis and that wears out on these chairs is going to be replaced and brand new. All right, so now let's talk about peace of mind and buying a remanufactured chair, which we understand can have some connotations that people don't necessarily like. And it's a little bit of a risk buying a used or remanufactured chair. We've done our best to remove all of those risks. We back all of our remanufactured Think chairs with a 12-year warranty, which is the same as new. We also have got and built up a reputation for standing by our products and standing by that warranty. We've got over 2,000 5-star reviews on our Google based on the company, and we've got tons of reviews for our actual products, including the Think chair. We encourage you to check those out. Read those reviews, see what people's experience was as they dealt with us. The other thing that we really take pride in is our customer service. And so if you need help with your chair or you run into any issues, we have a full-time staff here that's all they do. They deal with customers, they deal with taking care of you and making sure everything is 100%. We've got the reviews to back it up, and we're really proud of what we do. I think it shows in our chairs, and it's certainly going to show and when we're dealing with you. All right, so let's take a closer look at the actual Think chair and what makes it unique. And the first thing you're probably gonna notice is that it's got a mesh back, and it's one of the few Steelcase chairs that does incorporate a mesh back design. Beyond that, the seat design and how it's made is very unique. So it has this padded seat on top, but it also has suspension bars underneath. They're gonna be the same that you see on the back of the chair here, and they're gonna move with you and provide you some additional support, and it's kind of a unique sitting experience. The other thing I did want to mention about the seat is that we actually, when we tooled up this seat pad, we actually tooled it up a little bit thicker than the original to provide a little bit of extra comfort. That original seat pad was a little thin. We found that this increased the comfort level pretty significantly with our testing. Next thing you'll notice is that this comes with the 4D arms that has, the Leap chair is widely known for. It has the same arm mechanism as that. So that is a proven, time-tested design that people love, and it really works well. The last thing I did want to note is the Think chair is, like I mentioned before, in the middle of Steelcase's lineup. So if you're comparing it directly to something like a Leap or a Gesture, you will notice that it weighs a little bit less. It's a little bit less robust. That said, it has been around for a long time. It has stood the test of time. It's a well-built ergonomic chair that's going to provide you a lot of comfort. All right, so why should you consider the Steelcase Think chair and Crandall Office Furniture? Well, we think that the Think chair, you see what I did there, is a great option in that mid-market $400 to $500 price range. With that, you are getting a like-new chair experience. You are getting to customize your chair at our website. You're getting, we're gonna make everything to order. It's gonna ship free in the continental United States. You have free return shipping if you're not happy for any reason. And we also offer that 12-year warranty, the same as new. So this is gonna be, in our opinion, one of the better value chairs out there, especially considering if you're comparing this to new chairs in that that same price range. So if you're interested in this chair or any other chairs, or if you're shopping for chairs and you need some advice, head over to crandalloffice.com. We're always there to help answer questions about our products, how we can help. We can send you fabric samples if you need it. Whatever you need, we're here for you. So again, head over to crandalloffice.com. You can reach us on Facebook as well. So anywhere you can reach us, we're always here to help. And thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. So how do I do this without, the Think is a highly adjusted, there is a E1 Think chair. The Think, the Steelcase is a high-end ergonomic chair made by Steelcase. So should I like ask the new armpit? Oh, it's close. All right, so let's take a closer look at our remanufacturing process for the Think chair. And so I had it better last time. How am I gonna enter it? Is a middle, so I need to shorten that. True ergonomic chair that is gonna last you the test of time. Dang it, that was bad. How do I lead into that? Does that sound right? We think that the Think got is that we are, as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. I messed up again, but we're still going strong. Help you find the right chair. Golly, gosh, I so close. I gotta reset it. All right, so why should you choose the Think chair and Crandall Office Furniture? I can't even say our name anymore. Please click the like and subscribe buttons below if you found this helpful. And as always,